Magandang araw po. Ako po si Eden Tobong Bicol, Philippines, na ngayon ay dito na namamalagi sa USA. Isa pong retiradong nurse. Ang buong akala ko po ay dumating na ang pinakahihintay ko, ang makapag-retire. It was the end of my career, and thank God, I now have all the time in the world to do anything that I want. Subalit makalipas lang po ang ilang linggo, ay di ko na malaman ang gagawin sa maraming oras na ngayon ay available na para sa akin. I was on the internet for hours and hours until one day I came across this ad on starting a digital business tulad po nitong inyong napapanood ngayon. So I said, if I could spend hours and hours online, why not make it profitable? With the current events worldwide, who knows what's next after this pandemic? Despite my skepticism, for so many good reasons, I registered with no obligation, watched the pre-coaching videos and testimonies from successful leaders in the business and their stories to success. Tulad po ninyo, ako po ay may mga pangarap pa sa buhay. Nais ko pong maipagpatuloy ang pagtulong sa mga kabataang nagnanais makapag-aral sa kolehiyo, subalit ang mga magulang ay kapos sa kakayahan. Ipagpatuloy ang paglalakbay sa anumang panig ng mundo at makapagbigay sa charities at magmay-ari ng ilang real estate for investment. Kayo po ba ay marami pang balak na gustong matupad? Retired man kayo o maaring kayo ay kasalukuyang nagtatrabaho araw-araw, 8, 10 o mahigit pang oras at pagod na pagod pagdating ninyo ng inyong bahay. Kadalasan ay namimiss ninyo ang maraming special events ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Ano man ang inyong gawin ay di pa rin sapat ang kinikita. Kung nais po ninyong magkaroon ng solusyon sa pamamagitan ng side hustle at magkaroon ng supplemental income, mangyari lang pong i-press ang learn button below. Register with your name and email address. You will be directed to a complimentary 90-minute webinar with successful business owners who were once like you and I, struggling to make ends meet, but are now enjoying the fruits of the decision that they made. Ito na kaya ang inyong pagkakataon tungo sa pagbabago? Hindi po natin malalaman ang kasagutan kung di natin susubukan. May proven results na po ang aming sistema. Isa pong kagandahan ay ang flexibility at portability ng online business na ito. Nasa inyo po when and what time you want to work. Maganda rin po ang compensation na naghihintay sa inyo, coming from various source of income. Di ko mapaniwalaan nung una kung paano tatakbo ang isang negosyo operating in the confine of your home with mere use of cellphone, laptop, and a Wi-Fi on your side. Di nyo po kailangang maging tech-savvy or experience in business. Ang system po ay nakaprogram na para tumakbo ang inyong negosyo with automation and global reach. You will be able to access comprehensive training where step-by-step guidelines are already laid out for you. You will have your own one-on-one mentor and a coach to assist you, and a community who can be your resource people to share strategies to maximize your earning potential. You will not be bugging people, knocking door to door to sell products. No stocking, no shipping, no returns, no inventories. The decision is yours. Don't hesitate to hit the button below. I hope to see you on the other side. You will not regret it. You will be thankful you did. Thank you for your time and attention today. God bless us all.